Kasey, it's time to practice the guitar.
Hang on, Mom. I almost got him. Yes! That was a tough boss. Well, I guess it's time to practice. Sometimes I wish I didn't have to practice the guitar. But you know, how else would I get better at playing these sick riffs? I'm glad that you're here with me today because I'm going to show you how you can practice your guitar so that you can play sick riffs too. In order to play cool riffs, we need to learn how to play different numbered frets on the guitar. We already did a video for finding frets, but today we'll actually be playing them. Unlock your true potential! The first note that we're going to play is the open 6th string. That's the top one. Go ahead and play that now. Now let's play the 5th fret on the same string. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use your pointer finger and push down on the string. While you're pushing down kind of hard, play the string. Nice. If you get a dead or a muted sound, try pushing a little harder and play it again. Let's go back to the open string. Play that 3 times like this. Now go back to the 5th fret on the same string and hold it down, and play that 3 times. Awesome. Now we're going to play along with a beat. When you see zeros, play the string open, and when you see 5s, press down on the 5th fret. Here we go. Nice job! That's a song that I like to call the 2-note jam. Hey, if you want to get even better at the guitar, consider buying one of my books. Kasey's Guitar Jams for Kids, Kasey's Guitar Method for Kids, and Kids Guitar Jams. All 3 books are for sale on my Shopify. Let's practice another song. This song's called Surf's Up. You can also find this song in my book, Kids Guitar Jams. It sounds like this. To play Surf's Up, we will only play on the top string. You will play the following notes: 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1, 0, 0. The numbers are the frets that you're supposed to press down on. Let's find these notes now. First, find the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play that twice. Now let's go to the 3rd fret. Play that twice. Now let's go to the 1st fret. And then play the open string. Now let's play this one to a beat. Amazing! Congratulations on learning how to play cool riffs on the guitar. Now you can practice these 2 songs to get better. The 2-note jam and Surf's Up. Practice playing them over and over again. Each time you play them, they should get a little bit easier. Well, now that I've got my practice done for the day, it's time to get back to playing Alien Invasion, because the final boss is next.